To create a worksheet, start by answering a few short questions. Your curriculum, subject, and age group will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. Next, describe the lesson objective and the topic for your worksheet. The more detail you provide, the more accurate and tailored your worksheet will be. Once you're ready, click Generate. Your worksheet will be created in about 20 seconds. When it's ready, take a moment to read and review all the questions. If you're satisfied, you can export your worksheet in your preferred document format. If you'd like to make any changes, simply describe them using the Regenerate bar and click Regenerate. Your updated worksheet will appear in about 20 seconds. After reviewing the final version, export your worksheet and it's ready to use in class. And don't forget, explore our other AI tools designed to save you hours of planning and preparation time while helping you create high-quality teaching resources with ease.